gotten a bit of advice, and I just don't answer it because it's obvious we don't know what we're doing.
What we need to do is, I told Abel, because we still have a couple of those left over from that originally, we could take photos of them.
There. That's what we needed, huh?
We could take photos of them, and it could be a follow-up video to that one.
It's pretty hard.
Okay.
Ready?
Pull it.
Whoa, it went that way.
Boom.
Nice. And I got drenched.
You had your raincoat on, luckily.
It's way water on me.
I feel like the kids did not get as wet as I just
Wait,
got.
you got wet?
Werner von Braun, how do you feel about launching your first rocket?
That was very exciting.
Okay.
That was awesome, True.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I just want to get drenched
Oh,
by the rain. I don't get